Greetings, fair Firefly people and Irish trad music lovers. It's been quite some time since I made a chatty introduction on this channel, so if you're new, my name's Lucie. I'm a French flute player and I play mostly Irish traditional music on the silver flute, so thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to play a reel called The Wild Irishman, and it was recorded by God himself. I mean Matt Malloy, of course, on this recording called Out of the Ashes that was released in 2015 with John Carty and Artie McLean. And they say in the sleeve notes that this reel is a McDonough Brothers version of a tune also known as the Prohibition. So this is very interesting because the McDonough Brothers are musicians that lived in Sligo around the 1920s up until the 1960s, and they were maybe the finest exponent of the Sligo older style. When you think of Irish music in the 1920s, you might think of Paddy Killoran or James Morrison or Michael Coleman, of course, who had immigrated to the United States and made the Irish music very popular thanks to the recordings that they made in the United States. But the style was very different in the United States than it was in the old country in Ireland. And the musicians who really kept this tradition alive were some musicians like the McDonough Brothers, who had lived in a cottage all their lives in Ballinafad, which is in southern Sligo. So without further ado, let's get into the tune. Oh, and if you're an Irish trad musician and you would like to play and learn this tune, I have a play along video for you, and I'll put a link in the description bar for you. So now let's get into the music. So if you made it to the end, thank you so much. You're the best. I really hope you enjoyed the tune and the music, and I will see you very soon for another tune in the kitchen. Bye.